Hello, welcome guys. Today this video how gonna to show you. So guys, please my new channel like, share, support. Please subscribe my channel for latest update and press the bell icon guys. So guys, how to create a new folder in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, very easy, simple method. So guys, mouse this is button, right click on. So guys, new and click on folder.